To change songs with Redmi Buds 6 Lite, first of all you will have to open Xiaomi Earbuds application, then go to the gestures, and you will have to decide if you want to do this with double tap, single tap or triple tap. Let's say that I want to turn next song with single tap on the left earbud and the previous one on the right one. So now when I'm gonna play some music and I'm gonna press once, I should be able to switch the music, but we have to actually play this. Okay, as you can see right now it works. I'm just switching these songs like that. So that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe.